Dear students, wish you a very good morning, and today we are going to discuss different kinds of adverbs. We can divide adverbs into three basic categories based on the use of adverbs in sentences. First one is simple adverbs. Second one is interrogative adverbs, and the third one is relative adverbs. In case of simple adverbs, let us try to understand the concept of simple adverbs through these sentences with the help of use of adverbs in these simple sentences. As you know, simple adverbs are used in simple sentences to modify a word, means a verb, an adjective, an adverb, a phrase, or the whole sentence. For example, India is fully prepared. Prepared for what? Prepared for COVID-19. Prepared for war. India is fully prepared. This word fully is used as an adverb. It tells the degree of preparedness. Now, this is a simple sentence, and here this adverb is used in the middle of the sentence. Next one is he explained clearly. Here this word clearly is the adverb of manner. How did he explain? He explained the topic clearly. This word clearly, which is an adverb, is used at the end of the sentence, and this is a simple sentence. Next is surely you can succeed, or surely you will succeed. Here this word, which is an adverb, is used in the beginning of the sentence, and it is a simple sentence. We can say that a simple adverb can be used in the beginning, in the middle, or at the end of the sentence. But it is used in simple sentences only. Simple sentences, and it can be used in the beginning, in the middle, or at the end of the sentence, as you have seen with the help of the above examples. This adverb or this word modifies a word in the sentence. It may be a verb, an adjective, an adverb, a phrase, or the whole sentence. Simple adverbs are of many types. Adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time, adverb of degree, adverb of frequency, or we can say adverb of affirmation or negation. We shall discuss the types of simple adverbs in detail later, and now let us discuss interrogative adverbs. Interrogative adverbs, let us have the recap or have a glance at these sentences. Why are you late? I am asking the reason. If a student comes to class late, then the teacher asks him, why are you late? Means he is asking the reason. Here this word why, which is used to ask a question, and this is an interrogative adverb. How high is the Jindal Tower? There is a Jindal Tower in Hisar, and I can say that I can ask the height of Jindal Tower. How high is the Jindal Tower? Here this word how is used as an adverb. How did you achieve it? If somebody achieves a great success and a journalist asks him, how did you achieve it? This word how is used as an interrogative adverb, and as you have seen, interrogative adverbs are used in the beginning of the sentences, or these not only describes a word, a verb, adjective or adverb in the sentence, but also it is used to ask questions. Or these adverbs introduce questions and they are usually used in the beginning of sentences, while simple adverbs can be used in the beginning, in the middle and at the end of the sentence. Now let us come to relative adverbs. There are two types of adverbs. The one is conjunctive adverbs or relative adverbs. There is a little bit difference between conjunctive adverbs and relative adverbs. When an antecedent is given before the adverb, it is known as relative adverb. When there is no antecedent and the adverb is used as a conjunction only, then it is known as a conjunctive adverb. But what do you mean by relative adverb? A relative adverb not only modifies a word in a sentence, but also is used as a conjunction to join two clauses, and it refers back to the noun. For example, I remember the hospital. Here the hospital is the antecedent for which this adverb where is used. I remember the hospital where I was born. This adverb where, which is used as a relative adverb or as a conjunction to join these two clauses. And you have discussed, you have learnt the concept of clauses, simple, compound and complex sentences in my previous videos. Now, I know the reason. Here antecedent reason is given, the reason. I know the reason why he left the meeting. Someone left the meeting in between and it is a question. But I know the reason why he had left the region or why he left the meeting. Now, what is the role of this relative adverb? As you know or as you see, this adverb is used in the middle of the sentence to join the two clauses. It means it is usually used in complex sentences. It connects two clauses, or it acts as a conjunction, or it is used in the middle of the sentence and it is used or it forms complex sentences. In this way, this is the basic difference between simple adverbs, interrogative adverbs and relative adverbs. Now, we shall discuss the simple adverbs in detail. Today, we are going to discuss the next part of speech, adverb. In case of adverb, we have discussed the definition of adverb, kinds of adverbs and their uses in different sentences. Now, we are going to discuss the types of simple adverbs. First of all, adverb of manner. Simple adverb can be divided in many types depending upon the usage of these adverbs in different sentences. For example, adverb of manner. As it is clear from the name of this adverb, this type of adverb, adverb of manner. What does it tell? It describes or it tells how an action has been done, or how an action did take place, or how an action takes place. How or in what manner. The way of taking place of an action is told by the adverb of manner. It is, for example, there are a few words, a few adverbs of manner. For example, swiftly, easily, slowly, fast, quickly, and so on, etc. Usually, adverb of manner are formed by adding ly to adjectives. In case of adverb of manner, first of all, what does it tell? It tells how the action is done, or how the action has taken place, or how did the action take place, how something happened. It tells in what manner the action has taken place. In this way, we can form this type of adverb by adding ly to different adjectives. For example, swift is an adjective, add ly to it, it will become swiftly. Easy is an adjective, add ly to it by changing y into I, easily. Slow, slow, slow is another adjective, add ly to it, it will become slowly, and so on. Now, where do we use these adverbs in different sentences? In case of adverb of manner, adverb of time, and adverb of place. In today's video, we shall discuss these three kinds of adverbs: adverb of manner, adverb of place, and adverb of time. Now, in this type of adverb, we use adverb after the verb, because in these sentences, adverb of manner describe the action, means the verb. So it is used after the verb in a sentence. But if there is an object of the verb in the sentence, then we use it after the object. Verb, object, and adverb. This formula tells us about the position of adverb of manner in different sentences. Let us take a few examples to understand the adverb of manner. First of all, she ran fast. In this sentence, this word ran is the action or is the verb, and this word fast tells something or modifies this verb, and all the words modifying a verb are known as adverbs. How does she run? Or she ran fast. How did she run? This word fast describes the verb ran. That's why it is an adverb of manner. It answers the question how. As we have discussed, adverb of manner answers the question how. Next is, he rode cheerfully. Rode, V2, simple past tense it is, and this word cheerfully defines or describes the verb rode. He rode cheerfully. How did he row? He rode cheerfully. This word tells us how did the action of rowing take place. The action took place cheerfully. That's why this is an adverb of manner. Next is, he spoke loudly. How did he speak? He spoke loudly. Again, this word loudly describes this spoke. This word spoke. How did he speak? He spoke loudly. Next is, he speaks English fluently. आइए, यहां जो मैंने आपको बताया था, इन तीनों सेंटेंसेस में इस एडवर्ब का यूज हमने वर्ब के बाद किया है. We have used this adverb after the verb in all the three sentences. Now, in the fourth sentence, he speaks English fluently. There is an object English after the verb speaks. Means this is the object of the verb. He speaks English. How does he speak English? He speaks English fluently. Means in a fluent way, in a fluent manner. Again, the word fluently tells us the manner of action. How does he speak English? But it will be used after the object of the verb English. In this way, we can use adverb of manner either after the verb or after the object of the verb if it is there. Now, next is adverb of place and adverb of time. In case of adverb of place, what does it tell? It answers the question where. Adverb of place means it tells the place of action. Where did the action take place, or where has that action taken place? In this way, the word which tells us the place of action happened or taken place is known as adverb of place. For example, it tells us where. And in case of adverb of time, what does adverb of time tells? Adverb of time tells us when. Adverb of time. It tells when did the action take place. It means it tells the time of the action. There are three things. How did the action happen? Or how did the incident happen? Or how did the action take place? Where did the action take place? And when did the action take place? Means कोई भी कार्य, कोई भी एक्शन कैसे हुआ, कहां हुआ और कब हुआ, ये सिंपल सी बात जो वर्ड्स बताते हैं। कैसे हुआ बताने वाला शब्द एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर होता है। प्लेस, कहां हुआ बताने वाला शब्द एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस बताता है। और वो एक्शन कब हुआ उसका टाइम बताने वाला वर्ड एक्शन ऑफ टाइम, एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम होता है। इस प्रकार से हम एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर, एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस एंड एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम बताने वाले वर्ड्स को इजीली ढूंढ सकते हैं या उनका यूज हम डिफरेंट सेंटेंसेस में कर सकते हैं। नाउ what does adverb of place tell? It tells the place, where. It answers the question where. There are a few words, for example, here, there, outside, up, down, inside, everywhere, etc. These words tell the place of action. And in case of adverb of time, it is clear from the title of this type of adverb, it tells the time of the adverb. Means it answers to the question when. For example, today, yesterday, daily, soon, etc. These words tell the time of action in the sentence. Let us use both of the adverbs, both the kinds of adverbs in a single sentence. For example, let us take two different sentences first. For example, the children are playing outside. Where are the children playing? The children are playing outside. The word outside is the adverb of place because it tells the place of the action. Place of the action playing. Next is, he met me yesterday. Simple past tense. Where did he met me? When did he met me? वो मुझसे कहाँ मिला? He met me somewhere yesterday. कब मिला? Yesterday. If it tells the time, this word yesterday answers the question when. When did he meet me? He met me yesterday. In this way, we can use adverb of manner, adverb of place, and adverb of time. Now, let us take one more thing. If we have to use all of these three types of adverbs in a single sentence, then how shall we use? It is very simple. Remember this formula MPT. Remember this formula, adverb of manner, adverb of place, and then use adverb of time. MPT. आपको याद कैसे रहेंगे? अगर हम अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर देखें तो अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में सबसे पहले M, फिर P और फिर T आता है। अब इसी ऑर्डर में अगर आप यूज कर देंगे, योर सेंटेंस विल बी करेक्ट। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, let us take an example. She sang well. There are three adverbs: adverb of manner, adverb of place and adverb of time. If we have to use all the three adverbs in a single sentence, then first of all use adverb of manner, then adverb of place and at last use adverb of time. For example, she sang well. How did she sing? Well. Where did she sing? In the party. And when did she sing? Yesterday. We shall use well, then in the party, adverb of place and then adverb of time, yesterday. We can't write this sentence like this: she sang in the party yesterday well, or she sang yesterday in the party well. It will be wrong to say. We have to use these three adverbs in this order. This is known as order of adverbs in a single sentence. Let us take one more example. For example, look at this sentence. The accident took place. The accident took place means subject and verb. Badly. How did the accident take place? It took place badly. Where did the accident take place? On the highway. And when did the accident take place? Yesterday. We can write it: the accident took place badly on the highway yesterday. In this way, we can use adverb of manner, adverb of place and adverb of time collectively in a single sentence following the order of MPT. Thank you very much.